Alright, dumping it in now. 270 grams of Harari. Which is all there. And temperature again is there, around 120, 115 to 120. I will start my clock. And our goal is to see how long it takes to get to first crack with this stuff. And there we go. Spinning in the window. We also have one of these little testers here. Actually fairly warm to the touch, even that. That's a resin, even though it looks like wood, I guess, to help with some of the heat things. There's our fan and shaft collector at the back. Alright, I'm going to turn this off now and wait till it gets closer to first crack.